one thing you guys can do when you guys come to a place like this, because there's so many boxes, if you can't find your box, just go find another shoe with your size and you got yourself a box. That's kind of the grind you have to do once you come to Marshalls, because they got shoes like this and they don't always have the boxes. You gotta find the boxes for yourself, you dig? What's good, y'all? Your boy Bossco back. Just wanted to show you guys these shoes that I did pick up, which were these these Nike Duel Racers. I've been showing you guys these in a few different colorways. They're also inside Foot Locker right now for a retail price of $120, coming to like $130 after taxes. I found these at Marshalls for, price tag right there, $50. Came up to 54 and like 12 cents change. Just want to show you guys the up close, detailed, personal look. Like I said, very dope shoe. You guys can find yourself some steals and deals just like I did at Marshalls. Retail for $120, got them for $50. Had a lot of other shoes if you guys saw in the video. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. You dig? With this shoe, you gotta love that prime knit upper, as all the Duel Racers have. That bold white Nike check right on the side of the shoe. Then you got the light Nike writing on the heel, on the midsole part of the shoe. This is just there for decoration. Got the Nike pull tag on the back. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys. Very dope shoe. They had them in many colorways. One or two other colorways I wanted to bite on, but this is the best one. Pretty much a charcoal gray, smoke gray, and black. Got the Nike logo on the inside there. These ones are size 12.5 if I'm not able to wear them comfortably. These will go on my eBay. eBay is definitely in the description below. You dig? Thank you for watching, man. Hopefully you watched it all the way to the end. Smash that like button. Let me know your true, honest opinions. You dig? It's your boy Bossco here, chilling out with these, as you see on the tag there, Nike Duel Racer. Got them for $50 as opposed to paying $120 for them. You dig? Peace. Street mixtapes, nigga. Okay, so I got some good news and some bad news, but the bad news ain't nothing. I found these Duel Racers in another colorway that I can't say no to. Bad thing is there is no box, but I'm about to find a box. Get here, we run into some more. These ones are actually in Foot Locker right now. Ooh. I don't know what to do. This is a shoe that I low-key want. Oh, they got some other heat here, y'all. The Nike Duel Racers. Let's get some light on them real quick for y'all. This is size 11.5. I don't see the price tag on this one, but this is what they look like in this colorway. Not bad. And this one has actually stepped their game up and switched up the organization. Check that out. Check that out. Duel Racers here in another colorway, which we've seen at the last Marshalls. $50 for these Nike Duel Racers. Going in stores right now for $120 or even $150 for some colorways. Crazy deal.